Hello everyone! Welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to learn 100 kitchen utensils in English. Let's get started.
Walk.
Walk.
Stove.
Stove.
Gas cylinder.
Gas cylinder.
Electric stove.
Electric stove.
Microwave.
Microwave.
Oven.
Oven.
Gas lighter.
Gas lighter.
Electric lighter.
Electric lighter.
Cake pan.
Cake pan.
Baking pan.
Baking pan.
Casserole dish.
Casserole dish.
Stock pot.
Stock pot.
Grill pan.
Grill pan.
Frying pan.
Frying pan.
Gratin dish.
Gratin dish.
Pie pan.
Pie pan.
Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Saucepan.
Saucepan.
Colander.
Colander.
Electric cooker.
Electric cooker.
Stone mortar.
Stone mortar.
Rolling board.
Rolling board.
Rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Chopping board.
Chopping board.
Baking tray.
Baking tray.
Mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl.
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Measuring spoon.
Measuring spoon.
Kettle.
Kettle.
Teapot.
Teapot.
Electric kettle.
Electric kettle.
Mixer.
Mixer.
Blender.
Blender.
Whisk.
Whisk.
Strainer.
Strainer.
Spoon.
Spoon.
Fork.
Fork.
Knife.
Knife.
Cleaver.
Cleaver.
Spatula.
Spatula.
Slotted spatula.
Slotted spatula.
Ladle.
Ladle.
Indian spatula.
Indian spatula.
Cooking pot.
Cooking pot.
Plate.
Plate.
Cup.
Cup.
Saucer.
Saucer.
Mug.
Mug.
Jug.
Jug.
Glass.
Glass.
Water bottle.
Water bottle.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Water dispenser.
Water dispenser. Toaster.
Cooking vessel.
Cooking vessel.
Grater.
Grater.
Peeler.
Peeler.
Kitchen tongs.
Kitchen tongs.
Vegetable cutter.
Vegetable cutter.
Matchbox.
Matchbox.
Napkin.
Napkin.
Metal bucket.
Metal bucket.
Plastic bucket.
Plastic bucket.
Skimmer.
Skimmer.
Spider strainer.
Spider strainer.
Sponge scrubber.
Sponge scrubber.
Scrub pads.
Scrub pads.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Utility tongs.
Utility tongs.
Butter knife.
Butter knife.
Pie server.
Pie server.
Jar.
Jar.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Dishwashing liquid.
Dishwashing liquid.
Dishwashing sponge.
Dishwashing sponge.
Hand mixer.
Hand mixer.
Stand mixer.
Stand mixer.
Roasting pan.
Roasting pan.
Cooling rack.
Cooling rack.
Deep fryer.
Deep fryer.
Bread maker.
Bread maker.
Kitchen sink.
Kitchen sink.
Earthenware pot.
Earthenware pot.
Cauldron.
Cauldron.
Steamer.
Steamer.
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Pasta spoon.
Pasta spoon.
Lemon squeezer.
Lemon squeezer.
Hand juicer.
Hand juicer.
Salad spinner.
Salad spinner.
Ice cream scoop.
Ice cream scoop.
Pastry brush.
Pastry brush.
Plastic basin.
Plastic basin.
Pepper mill.
Pepper mill.
Salt mill.
Salt mill.
Sandwich maker.
Sandwich maker.
Paper towel.
Paper towel.
Dough cutter.
Dough cutter.
Rice cooker.
Rice cooker.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons. See you next time.